The Cole-Hersey 75930 double pole single throw and the 75940 single pole single throw master battery disconnect switches from Littelfuse are rated for up to 32 volts DC and 300 amps continuous current. These battery disconnect switches are made with robust engineered polymer housing and is sealed to IP67 and IPX9K ratings for protection against dust, debris, and water. The 75930 and 75940 series incorporate a patented weld breaker safety feature. This functionality exerts force on the moving contact to break any welds that might have developed. If the weld breaker cannot break the weld, a safety mechanism will prevent the handle from turning to the off position, indicating the power to the vehicle is not safely shut off. Providing enhanced durability and resistance to various environmental conditions, it is recommended to replace the metal-bodied 75900 series with the robust IP67 polymer housed 75930 model. Or replace a heavy-duty single-pole series like the 2484 model with the 75940 model. Additional mounting holes are necessary when installing the master battery disconnect switches. The 75930 and 75940 series master battery disconnect switches have removable red, yellow, or black handles and come in two circuitry options. The 75940 is a SPST, single pole, single throw, starting in the off to on positions, and the 75930 presents the DPST, double pole, single throw, in the off to on position. These master battery disconnect switches feature a built-in lockout-tagout hole that accepts a 6.5mm shackle for enhanced safety and security. These switches control the flow of electricity and stand up to harsh environmental conditions, making them ideal for vehicles and equipment used in mining, agriculture, construction, transportation, forestry, and more. To learn more about our master battery disconnect switches, please visit our website or contact us today.